Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bixolon printer. First, identify your printer's connection type, which could be USB, Ethernet, or Bluetooth. Next, connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a reliable electrical outlet. Finally, use the appropriate communication cable to link your printer to your computer or device. This ensures a stable physical connection for the next steps. Once your printer is physically connected, it's time to install the necessary drivers. Visit the official Bixolon website to download the latest drivers for your specific model. Run the installation wizard, carefully following all on-screen prompts. During this process, you'll need to select your printer model and the correct communication port, like USB 001 or an Ethernet port. This step is crucial for your computer to recognize and communicate with the printer. After driver installation, it's important to test your printer. Print a self-test page directly from the printer to confirm its basic functionality. If you're using an Ethernet or Wi-Fi printer, verify its network settings and IP address. Should you encounter issues like the printer not responding or connecting, a factory reset can often resolve these problems, returning the device to its default settings for a fresh start. To maintain optimal performance, calibrate your Bixolon printer regularly. This ensures excellent print quality and accurate label alignment. Also, always keep your printer's firmware updated to benefit from the latest features and performance enhancements. For more helpful tips and to grab some little trees black ice for your car, check out the links and other great deals in the description below. Keeping your printer in top shape will save you time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.